Welcome to Abstralbus. In this video, I will show you how to create a search box in Excel. This is an Excel file, and if I type name here, it shows me records or cells that contain Ali. Here, Ali Raza. Here it found ALI. Let's search Malik. And here is the Ahmed Malik. Let's search monitor. Same result. And if I search USA, I found these entries. And if I leave it empty, it shows me search text. And if there is no result to be displayed, then it shows not found. Search results at this sheet are being displayed from here. This is records sheet, and we have got a table here. This is the table with the name data. It has got Umar Farooq. Let's search Umar here. And it found the record. So I have got this working example. I will show you how I created this. So you need two sheets in Excel file. One sheet can contain the records table and the other sheet will contain search functionality. So this cell just contains search text, and these are merged cells. You can merge these cells from here. And this cell C3 is the cell that is being treated as input. These are just the headers, the text, similar to this: name, item, units, order, name, country, and status. And here is our actual formula. This is the formula. So it says if C3 is empty, display search. C3, this is C3, our input box. If this is empty, display search here. Because this formula is in this cell, so here records will be displayed. Those records will expand to these cells if needed. So if C3 is empty, then display search. Otherwise, filter data. Data is the name of our table. If I select all records from here and click table design, here we have named data. So this is name of our table. And then we have is number search C3 $C$3. This is the C3 cell. If query or typed text in C3 matches with the column name in data, name column, item column, units column, order number column, country column, status column. So if typed text in C3 matches with the name column in data table, or it matches with the item column, or it matches with the units column, or order number, or country, or status, and the result is greater than 0, then display the output here. Otherwise, display not found. So let's search SSD. And here we have the record. You can also modify this formula. Let's say if I want to search only in the name column, you can do so. All you have to do is to delete all of this and type equals true here. Now if I type SSD, it is not found. And if I type Ali, it found the records. Raza found the records. So you can use this technique to search from one column or multiple columns. I will provide the link to download both of these examples, but this is how you can do it. It's very simple. C3 is the cell that is accepting input from you, and this cell contains the formula. It is observing C3 cell. And if we type something that matches from these records, it displays those records there. And to create this table is very easy. For example, you've got these records. You can turn this to table easily. Just select all these cells, click insert, click table, and that's it. Press OK. Now this is table. And after that, you have to name this table. Click table design, and here type table name data2. Now this is the table with the name data2. So turning few records into a table is easy. To download this sheet, follow the link in the description. If you found anything confusing in this formula or tutorial, let me know in the comments. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.